Today, I'm going for more volume and more of a blown out look. And the first step to doing this is spraying the hair with water or making sure that the hair is damp before applying your thickening lotion. I'm going to spray that all over the head of hair, then comb that product through. And then in sections, I will be spraying some more of that product on the section and then using my Dyson Airwrap to curl this hair. The Mega Full Thickening Lotion, as well as blow drying the hair, is a great hack at making your silky wigs look extra full with extra density. After curling each section, I will be setting the curls by pinning it down and then spraying a light hold, brushable, flexible hairspray on it. Now that I am done curling the hair, I am going to allow it to set for a few hours. So now it is time to reveal our gorgeous blown out curls. I'm just going to grab a hair wax stick. This one is from 𝐃𝐫𝐚𝐞, and I'm just going to apply it to the parting space as well as the hairline, and then use my pressing comb to smooth that product through. I do want this hairstyle to be a little bit more polished, and this is just going to make sure that all of the hairs are going into the direction that it needs to go into.